We're sitting here eating our breakfast, and Amaya shares her Cheerios with her mommy. See, look at, say, watch. Thank you, baby girl. You want to do it again? Share your Cheerios, for mommy. For mommy. Mommy, thank you, baby girl. You're such a good girl. Are you going to share too with your mommy? Here, here. This one's more stubborn with him. Oh, psych, mom. Oh, you're not going to give it to mommy? Oh, you're not going to share? That's not very nice. Stay behind, Mom. Okay, you just eat it because I can get out of your little hand. And then Amaya, you going to share more with Mommy? Huh? Hello, Mia? Oh, that's your finger. There's no food in it, huh? I see there's no food in it, huh? So, ready? Oh, so nice. So nice. Bye.